Ndị Igbo na-ahụla ya nụnụ. Hope you've seen what Punch newspaper did. When the Southeast boys won the top gold in maths and science at the International STEM Olympiad, Punch newspapers came out to report that 3 Nigerian students won gold, blah, 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 bullshit. Now, it is the turn of the 16 ambassador students who also performed exceptionally well in coding and the Bridge the World Challenge at the same STEM Olympiad. Guess what Punch newspaper did? They reported first. Ogun School wins 33 medals at the STEM Olympiad. Blah, 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 blah. Cite the bias. Ogun School? From where to where? Kilele. Eh? So ambassador students are no longer Nigerians. The Punch. See how you've reduced yourself to nothing just because of cheap propaganda. No balance, no objectivity, no fairness. Just a media outlet stylishly promoting bigotry in broad daylight reporting. Well, to bust your bubble, Punch, check the background of what you posted. It's still Igbo students, Umo Elohim in ambassadors, who won most of the gold medals for the school. Yes. Check out their names now. Female, where? If you're that boy, show me now. Is it not me that mind the good? Is it not them that win the gold medal? When you people, out of the 9 students who won gold in the Bridge Challenge, the Igbos are 7. Total Igbo domination, total supremacy. Let me mention their names because you know what? They deserve accolades. Exactly. And now we have Amechi Udochukwu, the overall gold winner. Obosi Iyo. Sochukwu Kamso Onyeme, Adim Chukwu Nobi Uche Chukwu, Ebube Chukwu Wendy, Master Nwafọ, Master Amadi. Somebody shout power! The other 2 are Yoruba, think Oluwaseyi and one Edo, Enwere Igwa. See, you can't disassociate Igbos from academic excellence. Now we get them. You know, you guys have been lying. Yorubas are the most educated. It's Nigerians, this one is not 1980s, 1990s, and 2000s. So where those Lagos Ibadan newspapers would twist facts to push propaganda, either to promote the Yorubas or degrade Ndibo. Not under our watch. This is 21st century, and I'm happy that the internet and social media are the game changers. They flipped the game, and now we, the people, are in charge of our own stories. We will tell our own stories. Since a national newspaper like you can't promote balance, let's play the game. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. When I saw the report from the Punch yesterday, I laughed. I was waiting, and bam, they goofed big time. I was intentionally with you. Una flop or you goofed. I don't know who edited that news, but the Punch, listen, stand for fairness, balance, and objectivity. Stop fanning the embers of tribal division. If you are praising the Ogun School in your headline, then praise the 2 schools, Diamond Special College, Owerri, Imo State, and Evergreen School, Enugu, in your headlines too. Let me teach you the ethics of journalism, since you all stoop so low as to rubbish whatever professionalism is expected of a national newspaper. You are the ones who made us come out in full to tell our stories, because you all couldn't say things as they are. If you are not scoring cheap political points, you are being divisive and aiming to degrade others. I have nothing against the Ambassadors College Otta. Right from the days of Calbepedia, the school has been consistent. So I will celebrate Ambassadors College Otta. You have done nobly by raising exceptional kids who are globally acclaimed. But the Punch, we get our eyes on you. We will continue calling out the bias and partiality in your reportage. Yes. Umibo. Some of you will be saying, leave them now. You have a timer. You say you can't have fun. At the end of the day, they will shine with your glory and numbers. I was so happy. The late Professor Chino Achepi said, until the lions tell their stories, the tale of the hunting will always get it. In the comment section. Tell your stories, Umibo. Don't let your adversaries tell your stories, because they will destroy you. They will never promote the good you all do, your academic excellence and exploits, your business ingenuity and shrewdness. But let one Igbo man commit a crime, they will amplify it and say that Ndi Igbo are criminals. But now that the Igbos are the ones bringing glory to Nigeria, they will mask everything in the name of Nigeria. Enough is enough. We will continue to stand by the truth and expose all the machinations against Igbo. Congratulations to Ambassadors College, Otta. We are immensely proud of you all. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or you define solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.